Background music fades in. Welcome back to our channel where we help you make sense of the senseless world of shopping. Today, we've got a battle of the brands that's hotter than a jalapeno on a summer day. We're pitting the Nikon Z 6.2 against the Canon EOS R100. It's like watching a heavyweight boxing match between a heavyweight champ and a featherweight, but hey, the featherweight might just surprise you. On the left, we have the Nikon Z 6.2, priced at a whopping $1,996. And on the right, the Canon EOS R100, your new best friend at a budget-friendly price of only $829. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and see which camera deserves your hard-earned cash. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the price tag. The Nikon Z 6.2 is like that fancy restaurant you can only afford on your birthday, minus $1,996. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 is more like your favorite taco truck, tasty and only $829. Reviewers have noted that the Nikon Z 6.2 is an excellent choice for advanced hobbyists looking for quality images without the cost of a professional camera, while the Canon EOS R100 is highly recommended for beginners looking to step into photography without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about image quality. The Nikon Z 6.2 boasts a 24.5 megapixels BSI resolution that excels in low light, making it perfect for those moody selfies you take at 2 a.m. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 has a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor. Both cameras are in the same ballpark, but the Nikon is like that overachieving sibling who always gets straight A's. Reviewers praise the Z 6.2 for its sharp photos and impressive low-light capabilities, while the R100 is noted for its excellent picture quality, making it a great introduction to more serious photography. Next, let's focus on autofocus. The Nikon Z 6.2 has improved AF performance and functionality. It's like a hawk hunting for its prey, fast and precise. The Canon EOS R100 also has dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering up to 143 zones. Reviewers have noted that the autofocus on the Z 6.2 is impressive, especially in low-light conditions, while the R100 does have some complaints about autofocus issues, with some users expressing dissatisfaction with its accuracy. When it comes to capturing those fast-paced moments, the Nikon Z 6.2 can shoot up to 14 frames per second. That's faster than a caffeinated squirrel. The Canon EOS R100, on the other hand, can do 6.5 frames per second. Reviewers have highlighted the Z6 I-Evans speed as a significant advantage for action shots, while the R100, although decent, might miss some of those epic moments. Now, let's roll into video capabilities. The Nikon Z 6.2 offers 4K UHD video performance at a staggering 60p. If you're looking to create cinematic masterpieces, this is your ticket. The Canon EOS R100? It's not quite the blockbuster, but it'll still do a decent job for all your vlogging needs. Reviewers appreciate the Z 6.2 for its 4K recording and clean HDMI out, while the R100 is viewed as an excellent option for casual videos, although not as advanced. Finally, let's talk about portability. The Nikon Z 6.2 is a full-frame camera, meaning it's a bit bulkier, while the Canon EOS R100 is compact and lightweight. If you're hiking up a mountain, the Canon is like your trusty backpack buddy, while the Nikon is more like carrying a toddler on your back. Reviewers note that the Z6 II is user-friendly and lightweight, but the R100 is praised for its compact size and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and family photography. In summary, the Nikon Z6 II is the powerhouse, perfect for serious photographers and videographers, while the Canon EOS R100 is your affordable, friendly companion for all your everyday adventures. Reviewers generally highlight the Z6I's advanced features and quality, while the R100 is celebrated for its accessibility and value for beginners. So there you have it, folks. The Nikon Z6 II is the powerhouse, perfect for serious photographers and videographers, while the Canon EOS R100 is your affordable, friendly companion for all your everyday adventures. In the end, it all comes down to what you need. Are you ready to splurge on that Nikon dream, or are you keeping it real with the Canon? Let us know in the comments below which one you'd choose. And remember, whether you're buying a camera or just a new pair of socks, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, keep snapping those pics.